everyone, thanks for watching. So in today's video we're opening up Smartass Sass. This is a super fun subscription box. I believe when I opened it last time I misspoke because I read something wrong and said I was opening September then, but that was actually the August box. I can link that down below if you missed that video, but today we'll be opening up the September Smartass Sass. So the name kind of implies it's a little bit sassy, so there might be some like curse words, but it's nothing too crude. So they have 3 subscription plans. I will link them down below along with any promo code and the pricing. Before we get to the unboxing though, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And if you guys are curious about my makeup look today, right before this I actually filmed like a chatty get ready with me doing a full face of BoxyCharm items. So by the time this video is up, that should already be posted, so I will link that above and down below. But if for some reason it's not up yet, that will be up super soon, so stay tuned for that. It was super fun. But yeah, let's get this box open. And we are opening up the middle tier box. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. There's a card right on top, and then all of the stuff is inside. So looks like the theme is Every Day I'm Hustling. And then inside it talks about all the items, and then it gives you a sneak peek for the next month, so that's why I messed up. So we'll talk about the sneak peek last. But also in here it says, thank you for supporting Smartass Sass, for encouraging small businesses, for being awesome as hell. I like the theme. I'm trying to hustle more these days. In my Get Ready With Me, I was talking about how I was like kind of in a funk recently and I'm trying to get more stuff done, so maybe this will help me. First item I'm pulling out here, looks like this is a ring. Let's get it out of the packaging. This is by Foxy Originals and it's an adjustable ring that says Fierce AF on it. Wow, even like the paper it comes on is super cute. Let's put this on. I like that it's adjustable, so it should be able to fit everyone. So this is what it looks like on. I don't know if you'll be able to see the writing because the lighting in here makes it really reflective. But this ring by Foxy Originals is $24, and they say, you are strong as shit, lady. This adjustable ring can be customized to whichever finger you'd like. The middle one, perhaps. It is made of plated iron and has an antique looking debossed design. Nice. I like this. It's a nice reminder, so you can hustle, feel more confident about yourself. And for a lot of these items there are codes, so there's a code here for 30% off at foxyoriginals.com. So if you want a code for any of these, just let me know. But let's move on to the next item. So it seems like in every box they have a collectible sticker. So yeah, collectible sassy sticker by Smartass Sass, design 5 out of 6. And it says Carpe fucking diem. Seize the effing day. I think the last month had something with coffee on it, right? Yeah, because I think I like put it on my Keurig or it's somewhere down there. So I think it's cute they provide these every month and they're like collectible. You can collect them all. So this sticker has a $3 value and it says productivity requirement, F-bombs. These high quality stickers are outdoor durable and are coated with a matte lamination for long lasting color. That's something in this bag. So this says, silently correcting your grammar pouch from Smartass Sass. Oh, and it says it on here. Oh my god, I think that all the time. I try not to be like a snob with stuff like that. Like, I won't even say the things that bother me right here, but because I do it silently. This is like so me. This is really cute, the blue and the green. And it says it on both sides, and then on the zipper it actually says Smartass Sass. So this is $12, and on the inside you can see there's like little pouches in here, so I guess this is supposed to be like a pencil case, you know, they can fit in like that. So we are in love with this pencil pouch. It has a flat bottom for standing up, but its best feature is its easy access to your writing tools. Just unzip and pull down on the side tabs. No more digging through your pens. I have a lot, and I just got like a whole thing of colored pencils to use, so this will be perfect. I'm totally going to use that. The next thing looks big. Again, super cute packaging. The colors of everything, just totally my jam. On here it says, every day I'm hustling, 20-ounce tumbler. Nice. Get it out. So this is from Smartass Sass and has an $18 value. Oh my god, I love this. I love things like this. I'm always using them. I love this like coral color. And it has the cap right there. So this 20-ounce insulated mug will be your new bestie, plus it comes in an adorable box. Seriously, I said that before even reading it. It's a pretty coral color with a laser etched design. The mug is powder coated for extra durability and a dishwasher safe. Nice. Whenever things are hand wash only, like my lazy self comes into play at some point, I still put it in the dishwasher and like ruin the writing on it, so this is awesome. I love this. This is like my favorite thing so far, I think. Next, what is this little like coin purse or something? This is by Blue Q Bags, a system for carrying your stuff, made out of 95% recycled material. And it says, hell yeah, I live beyond my means. It says that on both sides. And zipper closure. And yeah, just looks like a coin purse. And that is what it is, I figured. So this is $4.99. And it says, honestly, nobody could really live within my means, especially me. Made of 95% post-consumer and recycled material. The size is 3 by 4 inches. And every Blue Q bag sold benefits the Nature Conservancy. I love that. I love when products give back, or companies in general. Oh, it looks like we have some pretty hair ties that go with all the colors I said I like. So it says, you're like really pretty. Put your hair up and slay. These are so cute. Let me get this plastic overwrap off to show you. They're different than other hair ties I have. They're like, how cute are these? I love the colors and I love that like knot they're in. Like, oh my gosh. And I always end up pulling my hair like up, like seriously, like right now it's down, but I guarantee once I'm done filming and I like start to edit the videos I filmed today, I will pull my hair up. And these are so cute. Ooh, and they feel nice and stretchy and comfy too. Yay, this is something I totally will use. So these are from Happy Box and they're $4.99. It says, we always love a Mean Girls quote. The gold accent has a great boho chic feel that will look classy in your hair or on your wrist. Also comes with a cute backer card for easy gifting. You know, I'm gonna keep these. I'm not gifting them. They're mine. So we have 2 more items in here, and the next is Smartass Sass, and this is some washi tape. What did I just say? Washi tape, and it says Boss Bitch washi tape. What is wrong with me? I can't speak that. I can never really speak my words. My mind works faster than my mouth, or vice versa. I don't know. But this is really cute. Again, cute colors. So the washi tape is $3, and it says this decorative tape has 3 messages: boss bitch, get shit done, and killing it. And there's 5 meters in here. So cute. This is perfect for your planner or whatever you want to do with it. And last but not least, it looks like we have like a bath product here. It says Bring It On. Oh my god, another, like they're saying all these movies I like. Mean Girls and Bring It On, like throwback. So the Bring It On Grapefruit Lemon Sugar Scrub. This is a Smartass Sass exclusive. And you get 4 ounces in here. It's made by Tub Tonics. Contains cane sugar, sunflower oil, palm oil, essential oil blend, orange peel, and phenoxyethanol. So this is $7.99. This citrus scented Pick You Up is a Smartass exclusive product. This refreshing grapefruit lemon scrub is made with real orange powder, so it's packed with a real boost of skin loving vitamin C. Ooh, let's get this plastic off and smell it. You know I have to take a sniff. I like using body scrub probably like once a week, or whenever I like shave my legs at least, which might not be that frequent. This does smell good. It's not like too overpowering of citrus, like it kind of smells like a sugary citrus, like kind of like a cookie. Since my mind always have to go to cookies. Awesome, so that was everything for the September box. I think they did so well staying on theme. I think my favorite product I already mentioned still stands is this tumbler. This is like really good quality, so cute. I love the saying on it, every day I'm hustling. And yeah, I like this too. I feel like I can relate to that. And sticker. So yeah, I would love to know your thoughts down below. If you get Smartass and Sass, what one do you get? Because I know there's one where you can like just get a t-shirt, or the one above, like the most expensive one that I did not get, it has a t-shirt in it as well. So yeah, there's a lot of options. The t-shirts are here are great quality, and they always have something like sassy on them that goes with the theme. Again, I'm using that link down below. You can go to their page on Cratejoy and check it out. So let's talk about a sneak peek for October. So the October's theme will be feeling stabby. Oh, it goes with like Halloween. Look, there's a picture of like someone stabbing a hand. Feeling stabby. October subscription is a little festive for the spooky season. Sometimes we are just in a back the hell off, fresh out of fucks mood. I can relate. This month we'll be sending sassy products that tell them you aren't here for their shit. Nice, I'm excited to see what is in there. So yeah, that's everything for today, guys. I'd love to know your thoughts down below, and if you're interested in subscribing, like I've already said probably too many times, the link is down below. Thank you again for being here. Thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you are interested in learning more about channel membership, there's always a link down below. There's 2 tiers for channel membership. The first one is $1.99 a month, and the second is $4.99. And in the second tier, we do bi-weekly live streams. It's super fun. I love it so much. I would love if you joined. We get to chat, get to know each other better, and there's always little giveaways. It's super fun, but no pressure. I know times are tough. Just by being here and watching my video is super supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.